Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best laptops for photographers of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Acer Concept D7. For those who think that MacBook Pros are overpriced but still need a powerful mobile workstation, there's the Acer Concept D7. This formidable laptop capable of handling complex and demanding tasks such as photo editing, thanks in part to its NVIDIA RTX graphics, was designed specifically with creative professionals in mind. Beyond that sheer power it delivers, it also offers decent port selection, a minimalist solid white design and that stunning Pantone-validated 4K IPS display. If you're looking for a Windows-powered MacBook alternative for video and photo editing, it's certainly among the best laptop for photo editing. 4. MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020. The MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020 may not have gotten a massive design overhaul, but what it lacks in that department, it makes up for big time in performance and battery life. Thanks to Apple's groundbreaking M1 chip, the new MacBook Pro 13-inch delivers excellent performance and exceptional battery life. Its performance is so impressive, in fact, that it can easily handle 4K, and even 8K, videos. If you're looking for a powerful laptop that keeps things small and lightweight, this is the best laptop for photographers. 3. Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition 2020. The Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition 2020 might just be the best laptop for your photo editing needs. This gorgeous, smart-looking mobile workstation will give some of the most powerful desktop PCs a good workout, showcasing prowess in complex tasks like 3D animation and video rendering. That's while delivering a delicious 4K touchscreen display with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, perfect for creative pros and accomplished multitaskers. Of course, it'll also set you back a hefty sum. But, if you've got the dough, this has all the serious firepower you need. 2. MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019. As thin, light and sleek as ever, the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 doesn't actually feel like a 16-inch behemoth. If you're worried that this was going to be bulky and awkward to use, don't be. Whether you're a nomadic photographer or you have your own studio, this laptop will feel just as compact as the 15-inch MacBook Pros that preceded it. Only, you're still getting that extra real estate on that stunning display, as well as the latest and greatest components behind it. Apple then rounds those out with amazing and loud speakers and a much, much better keyboard. This is truly the best laptop for photographers. 1. Dell XPS 15 2020. The Dell XPS 15 might just be incredible enough to tempt hardcore Mac users. It's easily the best laptop for photo editing at present, and in a lot of ways, the best laptop period. Combining staggering power in a stylish thin and light chassis, this laptop doesn't hold back when it comes to internals and features that improve your computing experience overall. Among those amazing features are a gorgeous bright display with 500 nits of brightness, an extremely comfortable keyboard, impressive speakers, and a terrific trackpad. We're not saying that this laptop is perfect, but our coveted 5 out of 5 rating should speak for itself.